Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a script written in Python by soon-to-be Dr. Panos Bozelos in order to combine all the Excel files extracted from your qPCR instrument into a single master file ready for analysis. If you have followed the guidelines mentioned in the qPCR software setup video on naming the file, then you should have no error emerging. This clip will show you how to 1. Download the PCR Excel compiler repository from GitHub, and 2. How to execute the script in a shell or terminal so that you can save some precious time in the future. So to start off, go to github.com and copy-paste the URL you can find in the description, or just search the website with the keyword PCR Excel compiler. Once you get to our GitHub repository page, you can have a look at the executable script that is written in Python. If you know how to code in Python, you might have an easier time understanding what exactly the script is doing, and please always be free to further develop to tweak it according to your needs. Next, you might want to check out the input folder. It contains a subfolder with the name Myanmar in our case, which is a folder from an older project processing qPCR results from stool extracts in a study in Myanmar. You will see some Excel files in it. Even though it's not necessary, you can use this folder as a test case to see if the script is working properly on your machine. Now let's download the repository to our local machine. Locate and click on the green button Code at the right top of the page, and then select Download Zip from the drop-down menu. Once the zip file is downloaded, make sure to unzip it. Following that, open a shell, otherwise called terminal, on your machine and navigate to the corresponding unzipped directory by using the command cd. Once you do this, you can check out the contained files by making use of the ls command. If you are unfamiliar with shell commands, you can open the graphical file manager of your operating system and have another look at the repository contents and structure. For instance, you can check out the exemplary Excel files contained in input/Myanmar by opening them with Microsoft Excel. The study was conducted in Myanmar by Dr. Julia Dunn. qPCR results were used to assess the difference in prevalence assessed by microscopic methods for the detection of soil-transmitted helminths in stool. I will share with you the paper published at the end of this video. It is a great study showing how to handle qPCR data for STHs. The purpose of this script is to pull the quantitative columns along with the sample number CQ values, both replicates for every sample, from all individual Excel files you save and export after every qPCR run with standard curve in your machine. Ultimately, this script will combine them into a single file, ready for further analysis using R, a tool frequently used in epidemiological studies. Now, we will need to switch back to the shell and finally execute the script by typing Python followed by the name of the script, which is compiler.py, followed by the target input directory as an argument, in this case input/Myanmar. The script will detect all Excel files stored in that directory, parse the corresponding information, compile the output Excel file, and save it in a newly created but identically named directory in output. The file name also uses the timestamp of creation so that you can easily distinguish between different versions and don't overrun previous compilations. Give it a go and do cite it in your work if you find it useful.